Hello friends, my name is Roklikran Ashok from Nagar. Today's date is 4th October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is the static keywords in Java. So we have discussed about the static keywords in Java before we are going to these keywords. So these keywords and keywords. So what is keywords? Keywords we can use the various types of keywords in Java. First of all, static keywords, next this keyword, then super keyword, and then keyword. It means we can use the we can store the save the memory in as various types of ways we are using the keywords. So we have discussed about this keyword. So what is the this keywords? So these keywords, it means we can use the these keywords in local we can use the these keywords in a class as a instance variable as a same instance variable. We can use the these keywords. So how to use in these keywords? So these keywords we can use the to call the constructor by using instance variables and then next upon second use of these keywords, we can use the to call the methods by using the instance variables. And then next upon these keywords we can use the to pass an argument and to call the methods by using these keywords. And next upon to pass an argument and to call the constructor by using instance variable. Next use we can use these keywords. We can return the value from the we can return the value of the in instance variables. And so we have discussed about the static keywords. So what is static keywords? So static keywords is the main function of to manage the memory and to save the memory from your code and your various types of suppose we are working on specific projects. In that projects and various types of codes, and we can use the static keywords, and your code memory location is to save the memory from using the static keywords. So we are we can use the static keywords by various types of ways. First of all, methods, and second upon nested class, and third upon we can use the nested class methods, and it is the ways of the we can use the static keywords. So static keywords we can use we have created the class. Its class name is a counter demo. In that counter demo we have put the instance variable int count is equal to 0, and we can call the constructor. It is a constructor it is a empty constructor, and in that empty constructor we can write the we can call the SOP count, and count plus plus and SOP in that SOP count. And then next we have create the main methods, public static void main, and we have create the we have call the objects counter demos e is equal to new counter demo. In that counter demo, and output is provided to 1 2 3. So we can use the static keywords in that method in that example, and in that methods. And then next upon we can use the static keyword. How to use the static keywords in Java? So we have static keywords in Java. We can we use the static keywords in Java before 1.6 version in Java, 1.6 version Java, and before 1.6 version. So we cannot use the static keywords in after the 1.6 version, because of your program flows is a totally different, and it is a change to your flow for program execution. So we can use the static keywords in 1.6 version. So next upon we can use the static keywords. Static keywords are using in one static keywords using in multiple blocks. So we can easily using in static keywords in that scenario. So next upon what is you can use the static keywords in your static blocks. So what is the static block? Static block, it can mean it is executing static blocks is automatically, because of it is executing the static blocks is automatically, and it's execute the automatically. We can use the static keywords. And then how to initialize the static blocks? So static blocks initialize, it means we can initialize the static blocks curly braces open and SOP need double quotes hello and curly braces close. So we can it is a initialization of your static keywords, static blocks. And then next open, we can use the static keywords in 1.6 version and before 1.6 version, and we can easily execute your program by using the static keywords. And we can use the static keywords and to save the memory in your code and your program easily. And we can use the static keywords because of execution is easily and your code is run smoothly by using the static keywords. So it is all about the static keywords in Java. Thank you so much.